equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC29 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the base away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, locate the motor. It is usually secured with additional screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. After the screws are out, carefully disconnect the motor wires. Take note of how they are connected, as you will need to reconnect them to the new motor later. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your vacuum and provide you with options. Once the old motor is removed, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the performance of your new motor. Now, take your new motor and connect the wires as per your earlier notes. Ensure they are securely attached. Once connected, place the motor back into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the motor is in place, reattach the base of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure all connections are secure and that there are no loose parts. Replace the screws at the base to hold everything together. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum to a repair shop. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC29 back in. Test the vacuum to ensure it's working properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.